Hello there, fellow travelers on the information superhighway. Have you heard whispers of Bitcoin? Are you intrigued by the enigmatic Ethereum? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive headfirst into the exhilarating world of cryptocurrency trading with Upbit.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
Upbit is like the cool kid in the cryptocurrency exchange cafeteria. It's a South Korean exchange that's become super popular. Why? Because it's easy to use. Even your tech-challenged Uncle Bob could figure it out. But Upbit isn't just about being user-friendly, it's also a security fortress. They use all sorts of fancy tech to keep your digital assets safe and sound. Think of it as a digital Fort Knox, but instead of gold bars, it's your precious Bitcoin. So are you ready to embark on this thrilling adventure? Let's explore the wonderful world of Upbit together. Upbit is all about making your crypto journey smooth sailing. Their platform is designed to be as easy to use as a toaster. Okay, maybe not that easy, but you get the idea. The layout is clean and intuitive. You can easily find everything you need, from buying and selling crypto to checking your account balance. It's like having a personal crypto assistant. And don't even get me started on their security. Upbit uses top-notch security measures to protect your hard-earned crypto. They've got two-factor authentication, which is like having a bodyguard for your account. Plus, they store most of their assets offline in cold storage, which is basically a digital vault buried deep underground. So with Upbit, you can trade with peace of mind, knowing that your digital assets are in good hands. Now let's move on to the exciting part, creating your very own Upbit account. Ready to join the Upbit party? Creating an account is a piece of cake. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be trading crypto like a pro in no time. First things first, head over to the Upbit website. You'll find a big shiny sign up button. Click on it and let the fun begin. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and create a super secret password. Make sure it's something you'll remember, but also something that would make a hacker cry in frustration. Once you've submitted your details, Upbit will send you an email to verify your account. Think of it as a digital handshake to confirm you're not a robot trying to game the system. Now comes the KYC, Know Your Customer process. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. You'll just need to provide some basic information like your name, address, and a photo of your ID. This is just to make sure everything is above board. And that's it. You're now a proud member of the Upbit community. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. Section 4. Funding your Upbit adventure. Now that you've got your Upbit account all set up, it's time to fund your crypto adventures. Think of it as loading up your digital wallet so you can start buying and selling those shiny digital coins. Upbit offers two main ways to deposit funds: cryptocurrency and fiat currency. That's just a fancy word for regular money. If you're a seasoned crypto pro, you can deposit your existing cryptocurrency directly into your Upbit wallet. Just copy and paste your Upbit wallet address for the specific cryptocurrency you want to deposit, and you're good to go. If you're new to the crypto game and want to use your hard-earned cash, you can deposit fiat currency using a bank transfer. Just link your bank account to your Upbit account, choose the amount you want to deposit, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once your deposit is confirmed, you're ready to start buying some crypto. But first, let's take a quick look at how to buy cryptocurrency on Upbit. Section 5. Buying crypto, your first foray into the digital frontier. Alright, you've got your Upbit account funded and ready to go. Now comes the fun part, buying your first cryptocurrency. Don't worry, it's easier than ordering a pizza online. First, you'll need to select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Upbit offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies to choose from, so you're sure to find one that tickles your fancy. Once you've found your crypto crush, you'll need to choose an order type. Don't let the fancy names intimidate you. A market order means you're buying at the current market price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to pay. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy, double-check everything and click that buy button. Congratulations, my friend, you're now a proud owner of cryptocurrency. Section 6. Cashing out. Selling your crypto treasures. So, you've ridden the crypto roller coaster and your digital investments have gone to the moon. Congratulations. Now, you're probably wondering how to turn those digital profits into cold, hard cash. Don't worry, Upbit makes selling your crypto a breeze. Selling cryptocurrency on Upbit is very similar to buying. First, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell from your Upbit wallet. Then, choose your order type: market order to sell at the current market price, or limit order to set your desired selling price. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell, review your order details, and hit that sell button. Once your order is filled, the proceeds from your sale will be credited to your Upbit KRW balance. From there, you can easily withdraw your KRW to your linked bank account. Just follow the withdrawal instructions, and you'll have your hard-earned profits in your bank account in no time. Section 7. Upbit security guarding your digital Fort Knox. Okay, we've covered a lot of ground from creating an account to buying and selling crypto, but there's one crucial aspect we can't overlook: security. Protecting your Upbit account is like guarding a digital Fort Knox filled with precious crypto treasures. Upbit takes security seriously, but you also need to do your part to keep your account safe from those pesky hackers. Think of it as a team effort to protect your digital assets. One of the most important things you can do is enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a unique code from your phone or email every time you log in. Another essential security measure is setting up a withdrawal password. This separate password is required for all withdrawals from your Upbit account, adding an extra layer of protection against unauthorized transactions. By enabling these security features, you're making your Upbit account as impenetrable as a digital fortress. Remember, security is a shared responsibility, and by working together, we can keep those crypto treasures safe and sound. And for those who can help support this channel, because we are not yet monetized and we need a pro video editor to improve our videos to make the images and effects more realistic and appropriate to the theme, please do not hesitate to donate via Gcash at 09355433948. Your donation will help us improve our videos. Thank you very much for your understanding.